Okay, your Mizo lesson for today is first of all, hello. I am your teacher, E. Call me teacher, E, or saya E, or doctor. Your Mizo lesson for today is Zirtirtu. Zirtirtu means teacher. Here's an example phrase. Zirtirtu idamem. Zirtirtu idamem, which means teacher, how are you? Okay, and that is your lesson for today. I am your teacher, or Zirtirtu.
Yang turamin siang umrun pui ira yang vega yang quaria dan taram vanozela kama mai berse dizeli
Kumpuy sulveyin hunte an herliama Signi eng moiten o her chwake Zadai fim tile zantiang si ar egne Lalpian hunulong moiten a her chwake
Knock knock, who's there?
What's up?
We're gonna shoot a film. Film start here.
Wow.
Yeah.
This is. What's up? What's up, everybody?
What's up? What's up? What's up with it?
Yeah, what's up? What's up with it? What's up with it? It's. We out here repping 2 Chainz.
Yeah.
You know how I go.
Walker not here? Nah, I think he's working.
Somebody called me a stanky ass hoe, so I had to resolute. Yeah,
whose phone is that?
He's working.
What's that pink case?
That's mine.
What's it doing here?
I'm just trying to be, you know, secure.
Your true nature is slowly leaking.
Slowly leaking.
Leaking out of my balls.
Oh.
Oh God.
I think this is Burmese
Nice.
language, but I can't read it.
Yeah. So your guess is as good as mine.
It's Burmese.
Yeah.
Nice. Good call.
It's Burmese.
Okay. So I really don't care that much about the scenery. So the only scenes that need to be set up a ton with like props and shit are the bathroom scene
With the candles.
with the candles, and then once we get to the hellscape scene, we're gonna have to put out some lights and shit. But hellscape. Yeah. Gotta like the name.
Yeah.
This is fun.
I brought my contacts in case for when I need to wear a mask.
Yeah, we'll give
Because
you.
I don't want to do this.
Yeah, it looks pretty scary.
I mean,
It's out in just a couple hours. Can't finish it quite?
Ooh.
That's a night.
yeah, it's gonna be fucking crazy. So
I mean, I'd
you're
like
gonna
to-
if you're actually doing that tonight, you're gonna want to shower before we like party for real after
Yeah.
probably because it's gonna be gross.
But yeah, I'm gonna look nasty. But I mean, that's the scene we gotta get right.
Oh, you guys been kidding with Willie?
Hell no. I would though. Willie was tight. Yeah.
That's what you said.
Yeah. Willie was tight. He ain't tight no more.